Hello, everyone. Welcome back to STUDY247. Let's discuss about today's top 5 GK questions from Indian polity. So, here is the question number 1. Which of the following exercised the most profound influence in framing the Indian Constitution? Option A. British Constitution. Option B. Irish Constitution. Option C. US Constitution. Option D. The Government of India Act 1935. So, the correct answer is option D. The Government of India Act 1935. Next. The first attempt to introduce a representative and popular element in the governance of India was made through Option A. Indian Council Act 1861. Option B. Indian Council Act 1892. Option C. Indian Council Act 1909. Option D. Indian Council Act 1919. So, the correct answer is option A. Indian Council Act 1861. Next. By virtue of which act, dyarchy was introduced in India? Option A. Indian Council Act 1909. Option B. Government of India Act 1919. Option C. Indian Independence Act 1947. Option D. Government of India Act 1935. So, the correct answer is option B. Government of India Act 1919. Next. The monopoly of India trade of the East India Company was abolished by the Option A. Regulating Act 1773. Option B. Charter Act 1813. Option C. Charter Act 1833. Option D. Government of India Act 1858. So, the correct answer is option B. Charter Act 1813. Next. Two independent states of India and Pakistan were created by Option A. The Simla Conference. Option B. The Cripps Proposal. Option C. The Cabinet Mission Plan. Option D. The Indian Independence Act. So, the correct answer is option D. The Indian Independence Act. That's all for today. Thank you.